Hi friends! Amazon sent me this new product to share with you. This is a 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charging station. It's this way, as you can see. Let's go open to show you. Came in this package. Have this user manual. And came this way. This is part of our charging station. You open it here, and this way you can charge here your AirPods, your cell phone, and your iWatch, and use this part of here to put it this form. So came with here cable too to put it in the electrical energy, and this plug that is Type C. This is a charger of our charging station. I'm gonna connect it here. So I want to show you how it works right here. I just put the charger here. It's Type C, as you can see. So this is my charging station. This light is on, as you can see, these little black lights. I'm gonna put my cell phone here. It's charging right now. My AirPods here. And my smartwatch here. And as easy like that, all my devices are charging at the same time. So this is a great product if you don't have time to charge all your devices. This is the perfect product for charging at the same time and save some time and some space in your house too, because you have to use just one device to charge all your electric devices. So you can put it in any part of your office, your room, outside of your bed. It's perfect for make more simple your life and your device control. So I highly recommend it. See you.